Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you watch your live videos on Facebook. So you can watch every videos scrolling down live. So I will show you on mobile and laptop also. So let's get started. So here is my mobile and I'm going to first of all in my Facebook, and then you can see here, just tap on this thread line and you can see here live videos. If you don't see, then just come down and you can see here see more. Just click on that and then you can see here more or less. If you don't see, just go on see more, and but my is shown in off, so I will directly click on live videos, and then you can see here all, you can see here live videos, this live videos on Facebook. So this is one method, and next method is I will show in one laptop. So here I am in my Facebook account, you can see here. After that, just go on see more and you can see here live videos, and then just click here. You will see here all live videos are shown, and it's very simple to watch all live videos. You can see here live. You can see here all live videos easily. So in this way you can watch live videos in Android also and in laptop also. So I hope you like this video and it helps you a lot. So please subscribe to my channel before going from this video, and comment below how you like this video and share this video. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.